friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.2, question number 5 and question number 6. So let's start it with question number 5. First of all, read this question. Find now internally 4 question A, B, C, D, then A 1 by 2 of, and again internally 2 question 24 and 46. That means alternately our first question is 1 by 2 of 24. Okay, 1 by 2 of 24. Now of means we need to multiply it. Okay, of means we need to multiply it. That means 1 by 2 of 24. That means 24 is integer part. Out of that we need to consider half of the fraction, half of the part. Okay, so we need to multiply it. So 1 by 2 in place of put multiplication sign and 24. Okay, now nothing is present in denominator of 24, so we can write 1. Okay, now we can cut it. 2 into 12, it's a 24, right? 2 into 12 is equals to 24, so we can cut it. Then numerator versus numerator, 12 ones are 12, denominator nothing is present, that means 1, so we can write 12 because 12 divided by 1 it is 1. Okay, so this is our answer, 12. Second question, again 1 by 2 of, this time 46. So 1 by 2 of 46. Now in place of we need to put multiplication sign. Nothing is present in denominator, so write down 1. Now 46 divided by 2, it's a 23, right? So numerator versus numerator, 23 ones are 23 divided by 1. Okay, so 23 divided by 1, it is 23. So our answer is 23. Okay, next question number B, and internally question number first. So 2 by 3 of 18. So in place of we need to put multiplication sign, right? So 2 by 3 multiply 18. Now here we can cut it. That means this 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18 and nothing is present, so we can write 1. Now in numerator versus numerator, so 6 into 2, we need to do multiplication of numerator with numerator. So in numerator we have 2 and 6, so 6 to the 12, and in denominator we have 1. Now 12 divided by 1, it is 12 only, so our answer is 12. Okay, now 2 by 3 of 27. Okay, now put multiplication sign in place of 27 and denominator nothing is present, so we can write 1. Okay, then here we can cut it our 27 and 3, because 3 9s are 27, right? 3 9s are 27. Now numerator with numerator, we need to do multiplication of numerator with numerator. So in numerator we have 9 and 2, so 9 to the 18 divided by 1. Now 18 divided by 1, it is 18 only, right? So our answer is 18. Okay, next question number C, 3 by 4 of 16. Now 3 by 4 of means we need to put multiplication sign and 16 as it is, nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now we can cut this. 4 for the 16, right? 4 for the 16. Now in numerator 4 and 3, so 4 multiply 3, 4 3s are 12, divide by 1 as it is, 12 by 1, it's a 12 only, right? Then next 3 by 4 of 36. Now put multiplication sign in place of and 36 as it is, divide by 1. So here 4 9s are 36, right? 4 9s are 36. Then numerator with numerator. So 9 3s are, it's a 27, divide by 1 as it is. So 27 by 1, it is 27. Okay. Next, 4 by 5 of 20. Put multiplication sign in place of and 20. Right. So here 5 4s are 20. Right. So we can cut 20 and 5. 5 4s are 20. Nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now in numerator, 4 4s are, it is 16. 4 multiply 4. Right. Divide by, here 1 as it is. So 16 by 1, it is 16 only. Right. 16 by 1, it is 16. Okay. So this is our answer. Then last question, 4 by 5 of means multiplication and 35. So we can cut it. 5 7s are 35. Nothing is present, so 1 in denominator. Now in numerator, 4 and 7. So 7 multiply 4, it is 28. 7 4s are 28. Divide by 1 as it is. So 28 by 1, it is 28. Okay, so our answer is 28. That means we need to put multiplication sign in place of, right? Then we need to check that if our numerator and denominator will be cut, then we need to cut it. After that, what we need to do, in numerator we need to multiply numerator versus numerator, and in denominator we need to multiply denominator versus denominator. Okay, then we get our final answer. Then question number 6. First of all, read this question, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, first of all we need to do multiplication process. After that we need to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, so first question is 3 multiply 5 integer 1 by 5. So first of all 3 as it is. Now here 5 5s are 25. We need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? We already learned this conversion in our theory part, right? So first of all 5 multiply 5 denominator with this integer. So 5 5s are 25, and plus we need to add our numerator, right? We need to go clockwise direction. So 5 multiply 5, then we need to add our numerator. So 5 5s are 25 plus numerator 1. So 25 plus 1, it is 26. Divided by 5 as it is, means whatever denominator we have in mixed fraction, same denominator we need to put in our improper fraction. So here divide by 5, same thing. Okay, now first of all we have integer 3, so nothing is present, so we can write 1. Right now here we cannot cut anything, so directly we need to multiply it. So numerator versus numerator, 26 multiply 3, it is 78, and in denominator 5 multiply 1, it is 5 only. Okay, so answer is 78 upon 5. Now this is an improper fraction. Okay, so we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So just we need to do the rough work. 78 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, remainder is 2, then 8, so total 28. Now 5 5s are 25, remainder 3. So our answer is 15. That we need to write first, then we need to write remainder. Again we need to go clockwise direction. So 15. Now in numerator we need to write our remainder, and denominator 5 as it is. Okay, so 15 integer 3 by 5. First of all we need to write this integer, then here remainder, and divise, and in denominator 5 it is as it is whatever we have initially. Okay, so 15 integer 3 by 5, this is our final answer. Okay, question number 2. 5 multiply 6 integer 3 by 4. So first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all 6 4s are 24. First of all we need to do multiplication, then we need to add our numerator. So 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 and denominator 4 as it is. Okay, here we can write 1. Now here we cannot cut anything in numerator and denominator, so directly we need to do multiplication process. So 27 into 5, 27 5s are, it is 135, right? Divide by 4 as it is. So 135 by 4. So this is improper fraction, 135 by 4. So we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So just do the division process. 135 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. 1 5 15. Again 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3. So we need to write the integer number first, 33. Then we need to write this remainder, and after this denominator as it is. So finally we get 33 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, 33 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, next third question. 7 multiply 2 integer 1 by 4. 7 multiply 2 integer 1 by 4. So first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all 4 2s are, it's a 8 plus 1, we need to add our numerator. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1, it is 9, divide by 4 as it is. Okay, now 7 multiply 9. So 9 7s are 63, divide by 4 as it is. Now 63 by 4, it is improper fraction, so we can convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, so 63 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, here 2, then 3 23, 4 5s are 20, remainder 3. So we need to write our final answer is equals to, first of all this integer part 15, then remainder 3, then denominator 4 as it is. So answer is 15 integer 3 by 4. Okay, then question number D. 4 multiply 6 integer 1 by 3. Okay, so first of all convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 as it is. Now 3 into 6, 3 multiply 6 18, plus we need to add our numerator. So 3 6 are 18 plus 1, it is 19, and this denominator as it is by 3. Here nothing is present, so we can write 1. Again we cannot cut anything here, right? So directly we need to do multiplication. 4 multiply 19, 19 4s are 76, and in divide denominator 3 ones are 3. Okay, so 76 by 3. Again this is a improper fraction, so we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So just do the division process. 76 by 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 16, 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. Okay, so final answer is 3 integer, sorry, integer part is 25. So 25 integer, this remainder 1 upon this denominator 3. Okay, so 25 integer 1 upon 3. Okay, this is our final answer 25 integer 1 upon 3. Next, question number E, 3 integer 1 by 4 into 6. Okay, 3 integer 1 by 4 into 6. So first of all, we need to convert our mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 4 multiply 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 1. So first of all, we need to do multiplication. 4 3s are 12 plus we need to add our numerator. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 and divide by 4 as it is. Here 6 as it is, nothing is present, so we can write 6 in denominator. Okay, now we need to check that anything is cut or not. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2 cut. So finally we have 13 and 3 in numerator. So 13 3s are 39, divided by 2 ones are 2. So our answer is 39 by 2, right? 39 by 2. So we can convert it into the mixed fraction. 2 ones are 2, here 19, 2 nines are 18, remainder 1, right? So final answer is this integer part 19, then remainder 1 in numerator and denominator 2 as it is. So our final answer is 19 integer 1 by 2. Okay, then question number F, 3 integer 2 by 5 multiply 8. Okay, 3 integer 2 by 5 multiply 8. So here first of all we need to convert this. So 5 into 3, then we need to add our numerator. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, it is 17, divide by 5 as it is, multiply this 8 as it is, in denominator we need to write 1. Okay, now we need to check our numerator and denominator. If anything will be cut, then we need to cut it, right? If anything can be cut, then we need to cut it. So 17 into 8, now 17 8s are, so it is a 8 7 the 56, 8 ones are 8 plus 5, so 136 divided by 5 ones are 5, so 136 divided by 5. Okay, 136 divided by 5. So again this is an improper fraction, we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So 136 divided by 5, 5 to the 10, remainder 3, here 6, 36, 5 7s are 35, remainder 1. Okay, so our integer part is 27, then we need to write this remainder 1 and denominator 5 as it is. So our final answer is 27 integer 1 by 5. Okay, 27 integer 1 by 5. So here first of all we need to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we need to do multiplication process, and again if we get improper fraction, and again we need to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay, thank you.